Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. We have seen lot of videos on machine learning using Python such as face recognition, face detection, fruits and vegetable classification, then face alignment, then gender and age detection, and many more videos on machine learning. We have seen long back ago few videos on drowsiness detection using Python. So since we have seen few videos on drowsiness detection, I am back with new creative videos on drowsiness detection using Python. So let us go through the program code. I will be using DLIB library for face detection, then this library, and then here for alert messaging, this library I am using, it is mentioned here, capture the camera, and this file I downloaded from the internet, and this is all about the algorithm detecting eyes and this thing, distance and this thing. And now I will execute after some millisecond, when I close the eyes, my drowsiness will be detected. Fine. Yes, now I'm not sleepy, my eyes are open, so drowsiness will not be detected.
Alert exclamation.
Yes,
Alert
yes.
exclamation. Alert
Yes.
exclamation.
Yes,
Alert
yes.
exclamation.
Yes.
Alert exclamation. Alert exclamation. Alert exclamation. Alert exclamation. Alert exclamation.
So,
Alert exclamation. Alert exclamation.
so
Alert exclamation.
So I successfully done with drowsiness detection using Python. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on drowsiness detection using Streamlit, using tkinter library, and more videos on attendance system, and interesting videos on SQLite. And thanks for watching.